I want to talk about this Y7P-BW reverse osmosis water filtration machine that SimPure sent me to do a video on. This thing is great. My favorite thing about it, no installation, which is really nice. You can see right there, it's got the magnetic catch down at the bottom, so you can move that, leave it installed as you so desire. Right in the back is where the water reservoir is. And right here, this guy is removable. You'll see right there, it's got the handle, so you can take it out and you can get it filled up. Like I said, piece of cake, easy to use. I'm going to fill it up right here for the first time. And this is really great. I mentioned earlier that there's no installation, so you don't need a plumber. You don't need to get any plumbing tools to do this. If you can fill this thing with water right here and plug it in, you're going to be good to go with nice clean water. Like I said, 5-stage filtration, so this is going to be great. You can see right here, starting up for the first time, I filled it up, and it's going to take a minute or two, start running up and filling the inner reservoir. And after it's filled, you get a whole bunch of different options up top. You can see right there, depending on exactly what size you want. I'm going to go with a 10-ounce glass of water. You see right there, and it's easy. You put it in, and you don't need to worry about pressing the button when it's done. This is going to measure it out for you, so as long as you can evaluate what size of glass or receptacle you have, this thing is going to take care of everything else for you. So who's this going to be good for? Well, honestly, anyone who likes clean water. Me especially, I am on well water, and it's not the best tasting water around. Definitely want to have something that's a little bit more filtered, and this is going to be a great option for me and my family. If you'd like to pick up one for your home, click on the link in the description below.